Twerk hands. Protect yourself. If you're here, that's okay. But you just want to keep the hands above the knees. Spread your feet out, shoulder width apart. And to twerk, you always want to start off with a very, very arched back, booty up. Back, 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 back. And when I say back, I mean you're literally throwing your booty to touch the back of your head. So you're gonna go back, 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 back. And to give you an even better view, twerk hands. You're gonna bend over and you're gonna go back, 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 back. All right, so that was